Hello, if you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment on this video, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So, what have I bought myself now then? So, I bought this old Mcconnel Hedgecutter. Show details now. Mcconnel. It's supplied by a dealer in Llanabyfer. They used to sell international harvester tractors. But we're long gone out of business, decades in. It's a Power Arm 44. It's quite an old thing. You could use it as digger as well, and I'll get to it. But it's got a 4-foot head and these T-flails. Takes a little work to get them freed if I was broken, but T-flails. 4 foot wide. It's just dry rust on it basically. So my idea now is I'm gonna put brackets here, take it off tidy, put brackets here then, and I can put in a digger and put these on the hammer line, so I can, the digger will power it to turn it. But I'll need a sort of valve on it so it overruns if the flow goes down as you're moving about. So that's the main idea of this. I need to sort of put it on the tractor, sort of, and lift this up with a loader and see if it all turns in. So that's the plan of that. Also, the part you're going to use a digger now, as you myself, there's quite a bit of length here now. If I take this off tidy, say, and put some brackets on this for the digger as well, and I can find a ditching bucket, I'll have a long reach attachment for doing, ponds and maybe slurry pit sort of things, clean them out. So that's another idea. And then I got a load of, got more rams. Oh yeah, the ram's rusted there, but I reckon this ram here is the same one, same length in. So I'll put this down there and I'll take this off in. But there's a lot more parts. This is actually twin pump and all, 2 pumps in there, oil tank and everything, and some rams here. There's quite a bad system how we, on these old Mcconnells, how we hook up. So we've got a bracket there, you put that on, and the top yokes went on there, and that went on the top link. So you took your lift rods off, for arms then, put that on. When it hooked in here, and I think you put your arms in the pegs there as well. And then this lift and lowered it up then. So the spar was always the same place sort of thing. But it wasn't the best system anyway. Bomford, when they had brackets that came underneath, but it's only brackets instead of our check chain brackets sort of thing. So we left the arms as we were sort of thing, and it just went beside them. But this you had to take the arms off then. So I've got a good ram there. I've got a spool block. This ram's closed as well. Not sure what's in there. Could possibly be a motor of some kind, because there's 2 pipes just going straight down. So I'm not sure what's actually in there, but it's sort of a king post sort of thing. I have an ongoing project making a post locker, so I might actually take these box sections off for legs on that then, because they're tight fitting inside each other. But I've just had this now and I need to test it out. I had a digging bucket as well. I said you could use it as a digger. So it's going to be, hopefully I'll do it this year, but it's going to be a bit of a long-term project. I thought I'd look while, season was finished for them, and I found this was a reasonable price, and so I bought it. But I'm not saying I'm going to jump on it straight away. I'm going to test it out first, see if it actually works, so the head actually turns, and just connect the pipes up and put the PTO on so the pump turns it in. And I've checked it has oil in it. So test this out first, see if it turns right. Then maybe, free off the flails and go through it a bit. And then we can alter it then. And I thought while I have this, it would be quite a good idea maybe to have a long reach attachment then. has the tipping links and everything has like a digger have. And it's quite a small one. It's like a mini digger sort of arm, so it wouldn't be too much weight for my digger. So that's a couple of future projects. Thank you for watching, and goodbye from me for now.